Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing another unboxing of a monitor. I have my new 4K monitor. It's by Lenovo. So Lenovo, if you see this, you know what to do, bro. Just sponsor me, bro. I need the money. It is 27 inches QHD, so that's good for the PlayStation 5, which I'll be getting really soon. 165 Hertz curved, 1 millisecond response time, dual speakers, bro, as well as yeah, that's basically it. FreeSync Premium iSafe. Just a bit of a side note, I also bought some speakers that's in the bag, so I'm gonna unbox it later in this video as well. Yeah, without further ado, let's just unbox this bad boy. First step of unboxing, which is the best thing that Lenovo does, is that it gives you like step-by-step instructions on how to unbox the box. Yeah, man, so let's get right into it. Opening up the first strap. Oh, bro, come on now, bro. Okay, thank God. Do you know how hard it is to freaking do it with one hand? But yeah, look at the box, it's mad. So it gives you some instructions on how to set it up, so we'll do that later. Comes with the HDMI cord, like, thank you, bro, appreciate it. Comes with the AC adapter to power up the monitor. A bunch of screws, which you'll use for later for the I think this is a stand, or the base, for the base of the stand. Look how sick that looks. Just like, look at it, bro. Just gaze upon its glory. But yeah, we just keep on the side. Another book for the warranty, which I don't need, because you know me, guys, I take care of my stuff. What the hell? What is this? I don't know. I think this is a stand, like the actual stand where the monitor is sitting on. And finally, the bad boy, the monitor. After setting it up neatly and making it look nice, this is what actually comes inside the box. I'll be honest with you, this is one of the best things I've ever seen. The design is so clean. It shows you like what the monitor is, but I'll be taking it off just for aesthetics.
Nice.
The stand, I'll be honest, is so hard. Like, look at that, it feels sturdy, it has weight to it. So yeah, man, this looks cool. Like, it looks good, the design is nice. So yeah, let me just set it up and I'll show you how it looks while it's standing. So let's do it, guys. Yo, you guys can see my face, you know. The screws are quite nice. It uses these. I'll just show it to you quickly if you guys can see. I think this is a screwdriver.
Yeah. And it requires, like, it needs that start swing, alright? And this is the start swing. Yeah.
First up, what I'm gonna do is put it inside this hole.
What did he say?
So I think it just goes in. Yeah, and then you screw it at the bottom, just over there.
You guys see that? You can go up and down, bro. That is married.
I just made it quite tight, so, you know, has got some sturdiness to it. So there's 4 screws, and all the 4 screws go in this. Yo, they did me dirty, bro. I only have 3 screws. Oh no, I have 4 screws. Never mind. I'll just show you guys what's behind the monitor really quickly. So it has like all these buttons, which is, I'm guessing this is the power button. These other ones are like for the menu and stuff. The power input, 2 HDMI kit ports, the audio out, and I think that's the new what the frick? I think that's the new HDMI. I don't know what it's called, but I think the name's also given in here. Yeah, it shows you the symbols as well, so it's just quite neat. So here's how the monitor looks while it's standing. Looks quite sick. On the side, it's quite sturdy. Look how heavy the stand looks, which I like. Up top, just air vents, because yeah, why not? But yeah, man, let's just turn it on, bro. Let's turn on the bad boy. So this is my old monitor. I really love this one. It's by Acer. You've been great though. Acer, great job. Nice first monitor. It was quite cheap as well. I loved it. I think I got it for $199. Maybe 200, I don't know. But yeah, let's do it. All right, lads, this is it on the table. It's actually quite big compared to the old Acer, which I like. Just the final thing. There it goes. Look at that curved monitor with the thing. All I have to do is just turn on the bad boy. So yeah, all I have to do is just press that, and boom, out pops Lenovo. So all that's to do is a standby mode, because you know it's not being plugged into anything right now. Oh yeah, by the way, here's a PS4, soon it's gonna be the PS5, and I need to work on the cable management, bro. That's another video, dude. No cap. Look at it. So it does have inbuilt speakers, but it's not that great compared. Like that's what the lady said when I bought this thing. But yeah, man, look at this. Who needs a PS5 when you can? Oh shit, Fortnite. God damn. And bro, look at the skin as well. Bro, it's Low Bunny, bro. God damn. All right. Anyway, yeah. So here's a monitor, which is amazing. One of the best features about it is that it can automatically go up and down based on your height. So that's a great thing, because you know, why not, bro? So yeah, let's unbox it. I've opened up this bad boy. It comes with a bunch of papers. Bro, what's my PlayStation doing, bro? Let's talk about the speakers now. Comes with the bass thing. Has its own plugins. Amazing. 2 speakers. And yeah, that's all that comes inside. It is done, lads. Look at that. All right, the 2 speakers on either side. Don't mind the cable management. The power button to turn on the speakers. So as you can see, it's on right now. It's been plugged inside the monitor. So right over here at the back, there's a small wire, the green one. Look at that. You can see here. Oh no, yeah, the speaker is at the bottom, the bass thing. So yeah, man, that's the setup right now, bro. Look at it. All I need is a PS5. Let's see if it actually works.
Your spirit, it really does. It crushes your soul.
That's the speakers in its full glory, bro. Look at it. Oh my god. Thank you for your glory. Thank you for your glory. Oi, this is an amazing thing. Thank you all so much. Wait, let me lower the volume. Thank you all so much for this. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to get this monitor, this setup, bro. Thank you all so much. If you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys. Love you all and take care.